Cindy Falco-Dicorrado.
Hi, yes. I'd like to address today that there is no statutory law that requires you or your employees or your patrons to wear a mask. There are guidelines of the State Department, of the Health Department, and local health boards, any other order in unlawful and must be challenged. Preventing entry to your establishment of someone not wearing a mask violates these laws. The Florida Constitution, the U.S. Constitution, your First and Fourth Amendment. It violates the federal civil rights law, Title 11, Section 2000. It violates the Florida Civil Rights Law, Civil Rights Act of 1992, Chapter 760. If you refuse entry to your establishment, which is open to the public, you are also restricting the movement, the free movement of an individual, and engaging in false imprisonment. You are in violation of several laws if you prohibit that entry of someone if they are not wearing a mask. Now you are acting as if you are a licensed physician. A mask is a medical situation, and if you are telling people they can't come into your establishment or your business without a mask, then you are illegally and fraudulent committing a felony. You do not have the right, you don't have the licensing, and the Department of Business and Regulations should be called, as well as the Health Department. This is fraudulent behavior. All you are clerks, your employees, your managers, but you are not in the medical industry, and you need licensing to tell people they have to wear a mask or even inquire about a mask or getting your temperature taken. People, you need to know this. Declaring this as your store policy does not absolve you from your violation of the law. There is no regulation on the books that requires you to operate your business outside with plexiglass dividers or with restraining the number of patrons. It's not in the books. It's not in the Florida law. We're under common law here. We're under constitutional rights. You don't have the right to take somebody else's right away. Regulations are the laws that are created through an administrative law-making procedure by departments and agencies to fulfill and carry out statutory law. When a regulation is passed, it is given a code number and written into the Florida Code of Regulations, the CCR. No regulations are on the books that require a mask or distancing or any other protocol. If you tell somebody they cannot come into your place of business and it's a public business, you are now acting and portraying a police officer. That also is a felony with a $25,000 fine or jail time. Please stop telling these businesses to work outside of what they are authorized to do. They're not licensed as medical personnel, and they are not police officers. This is crimes against humanity and crimes that you personally have committed. Thank you.
Thank you.